So today we're going to be installing our new Rome Adventure Co. awning. It's a 6.5 foot by 8 foot awning that we're going to mount to our Rhino rack roof rack system. And we also will be testing out the Rome Adventure Co. Attachable tent that attaches to their awning. So first we're going to install reattach our Rhino roof racks, and then we're going to bolt on the awning and test it out, and then we'll test out the tent. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Wow, is it face plant?
Almost.
Here.
Cool.
Stand there. See, pretty roomy. What do you think?
I like it. I think this is like, it's a pretty massive tent, to be honest. We got the 6.5 and it's...
Well, it's 6.5 wide, but it's 8 feet long.
You can definitely fit 2 pots.
Normally this would have, or you can have a floor in here. There's obviously another door right there. Same as the front. There's a door at the back for connecting. You can see the seams there, connecting to the door of your vehicle. And then there's a big window over here. And then this would normally be all the way up, but we didn't secure everything because we're just demonstrating.
Oh, that is so cool.
So that is our Rome Adventure tent and our Rome Adventure awning. And now we are going to attempt to put it all back. Normally, the only other step you do is stake it down. And like I said, if you wanted a floor, you put in a floor.
I think that's so cool. That's so cool. You've now watched us install the Rome Adventure Co. awning and awning room, which doubles as a tent. Has the mosquito nets in it, has the floor if it's rainy or muddy or anything like that.
Just want to avoid bugs.
Yeah. Or have dogs or something like that, you want to keep them in, keep the wind out. It's really, to us it seemed like a really great quality tent, awning room, and awning itself. Everything seemed like pretty good high grade.
Really good zippers. The material is really thick, like way better than you're gonna get at a tent at like, you know, any kind of big box store.
Yeah. Yeah, it was pretty easy to install, pretty easy to put up. I mean, that was our first time doing it, so probably take us longer the first time than it will ever take us setting it up again.
It worked out well. It's on there super sturdy. I don't have any doubts that it's going to fall off or shake or anything like that. And plenty of room for us and our dogs and a cot if we don't want to stay under the topper or something like that.
I think it looks badass too. So if you're overlanding and you don't want to use a rooftop tent, this is another option.
This was about 20%, maybe 20% the cost of a rooftop tent.
It's way cheaper. Yeah,
I'd recommend it.
Yeah, so far we like it. We'll tell you
We'll
if
go camping,
we
let you know.
Yeah, we'll tell you if we don't like it down the road. But so far it looks awesome and seems awesome. So
thanks
for watching.